Air 16 is tracking Ocean from Montana. California.
Should be eastbound Washington, actually.
Eastbound Washington.
Eastbound Washington through 5th Street.
Eastbound Washington through 5th.
Southbound 7th from Washington.
Southbound 7th from Washington.
Eastbound Wilshire from 7th.
Eastbound Wilshire from 7th.
Eastbound Wilshire through 10th Street.
Eastbound Wilshire from 5th.
1411. We have another unit go in front of us. Our car is shut down.
Eastbound Wilshire through 14th Street.
Eastbound Wilshire through 14th, requesting 14873 is in the pursuit.
Come on, yeah, they see you tracking.
Tracking per 14 Adam 11. Night sun is off. We're eastbound Wilshire through 20th Street.
Eastbound Wilshire through 20th. Still in tracking.
Southbound 22nd Street, guys, from Wilshire. Right turn there coming up. Right turn.
Southbound 22nd from Wilshire. Right turn.
And eastbound Arizona from 20th.
Eastbound Arizona from 20th.
Eastbound Arizona through 26.
Eastbound Arizona through 26.
Southbound, I think it's Harvard, guys. Southbound Harvard from Arizona. Blacked out. Probably coming to a stop.
Southbound Harvard from Arizona, blacked out, possibly coming to a stop.
Eastbound Santa Monica from Harvard.
Eastbound Santa Monica from Harvard.
Right in front of you there, guys. Still eastbound.
Still eastbound. Air 16, do you want more units to respond?
I don't think they're necessary right now. We've got 3 in pursuit.
Air 16, roger.
Eastbound Santa Monica through Berkeley.
67, we're track mode.
Eastbound Santa Monica through Berkeley. Eastbound Santa Monica through Berkeley. Southbound Santa Monica through Sentinel.
Eastbound Santa Monica Sentinel.
Correction, eastbound Santa Monica through Sentinel.
Okay, parallel to an MTA bus. She is stopped on the brakes, eastbound Santa Monica. Looks like how Wells is. She's backing up into officers. I know it's a van, guys, but if you can pit, if it's authorized, I'd probably recommend it. She's got to be stopped at some point. She's pulling up on that MTA bus.
Parallel to the 14 L50, are they authorized to pit? Parallel to the MTA bus, stopped eastbound Santa Monica and Wellesley.
Eastbound Santa Monica at Bundy.
Eastbound Santa Monica at Bundy.
And she's playing cat and mouse with this MTA bus, guys. She's not letting it travel. And the bus is trying to avoid it, but she's parallel to it, right up on it.
Parallel to the MTA bus, not letting it travel.
Backing up, high rate of speed towards black and white. And now she's stopped again, eastbound Santa Monica at Bundy. On the move again, eastbound Santa Monica from Bundy.
Eastbound Santa Monica from Bundy, backing up at a high rate of speed into the unit.
L50, pit is authorized.
Pit is authorized per L50.
Keep your distance.
Okay, one of these trailing units, she's backing up into black and white again, guys. Watch yourselves.
Suspect still backing up into black and white.
Okay, if somebody can work their way around it, eastbound Santa Monica, maybe up ahead. I think I've got a unit up there, not sure if it's LAPD, but maybe spike strips, if authorized, put them out on Santa Monica. Maybe out towards Granville or Stoner. She's still messing with this MTA bus. You can't get away from her. She's still facing eastbound on Santa Monica, backing up, high rate of speed towards the black and whites.
Suspect vehicle still backing up at a high rate of speed towards black and white. The unit can come around eastbound Santa Monica towards Granville or Stoner. 14 L50 are spike strips authorized.
50, not at this time, based off driving behavior.
Air 16 spike strips are not authorized at this time.
All right, still maneuvering in the intersection of Santa Monica and Bundy. Behind a private citizen here.
Still maneuvering Santa Monica and Bundy behind a private citizen.
Southbound Bundy from Santa Monica, high rate of speed at a black and white. Just struck a black and white again, definitely on purpose.
Suspect hit a black and white again.
Facing northbound Bundy, high rate of speed towards another black and white.
Northbound and Bundy, high rate of speed towards the black and white.
L50, code 6 with a pursuit.
L50, roger.
All right, high rate of speed, chasing a black and white, eastbound Santa Monica through Brockton.
Eastbound Santa Monica through Brockton, chasing a black and white. 8095 behind the vehicle.
Eastbound Santa Monica through Barrington. Have a unit in pursuit which is actually chasing one of our black and whites and actually came to a stop. Eastbound Santa Monica looks like at Colby.
Vehicle stopped Santa Monica east of Colby.
All right, southbound Colby from Santa Monica.
Southbound Colby from Santa Monica, white van. John Boyd 4 Adam 1 Edward. John Boyd 4 Adam 1 Edward.
L50 airship, confirm me I have my 4 units in the pursuit.
Air 16 confirming the 4 units in the pursuit.
Definitely behind them, a couple more behind those 3, backing up high rate of speed towards officers on Colby Avenue.
Suspect is backing up at a high rate of speed towards officers at Colby.
Air unit, do we need an RA for the last vehicle hit?
Depends on that black and white. They can answer for you. I don't know if they're hurt.
Last black and white that was hit by the suspect. You need an RA.
High rate of speed towards black and white on Colby. Colby and Iowa is where we're at.
Suspect is held at a high rate of speed, Colby towards Iowa.
Right now. If you can get an angle and pin this guy against one of these 4 cars, I highly recommend it, guys. He's already wrapped you guys numerous times.
If unit is able to pin Colby and Iowa.
8060 requesting unit with spike strips, Olympic and Colby.
L50, you can get 2 more units for the pursuit for a total of 6.
Correction, 14050 is requesting 2 additional units in the pursuit.
Alright, backing up high rate of speed towards black and whites again. Hey, unit coming southbound on Butler. Make a right turn there. Make a right turn on Nebraska. And stop people at that intersection. Might be coming out towards you. Stop. Unit on Nebraska. Again, if we can authorize spike strips, we'll definitely be able to slow this guy down if he crosses Nebraska.
14L50 do not authorize the spike strip.
L50, if units get the opportunity, have them pit.
14L50 is requesting units to pit if he gets the opportunity.
8060 requesting that the unit switch to West LA frequency as incident commander, multiple TCs.
So we're staying on Pacific. We're not going to switch over. Southbound Butler from Nebraska.
8060 authorizing 5 units and herself in the pursuit.
Southbound Butler from Nebraska. Air 16 wants the pursuit to stay on Pacific. All units on the pursuit stay on Pacific base.
From Butler. Northbound looks like Purdue. On the brakes, guys. Probably just waiting for you to ram you again.
Northbound Purdue.
From Missouri.
8060 is requesting the pursuit to switch to West LA. West LA pursuit now at 8060 incident commander.
8060, too many moving parts here. I don't think all these units engaged can switch over. Please stay on Pacific.
It goes Purdue from Missouri.
Air 16, simulcast on West LA.
Nebraska.
Northbound pursuit from Missouri. Air 16 is requesting the pursuit to stay on Pacific.
But Pacific will be our primary, but I'm simulcasting on both. Northbound Purdue from Nebraska.
Northbound Purdue from Nebraska requesting, correction, air unit simulcasting on West LA.
Northbound Purdue headed towards Iowa.
Northbound Purdue from Iowa, towards Iowa.
35, we're on the pursuit. 8035. L60, if I have injured officers, have them get out of the pursuit. If I have injured officers, get out of the pursuit.
L50, just advising I am still incident commander.
14L50 is still incident commander.
Any officers injured on the pursuit, bow out of pursuit.
Hold the frequency, southbound Purdue. Head to head with these black and whites. Hey, unit over here on Iowa. One west. Maybe set up some spike strips, guys. They were authorized, I believe, 14L50.
Purdue head to head with black and whites. Pier 16, the spike strips were not authorized. The pit was authorized.
Okay, L50 or whoever took over as the commander. We're kind of a standstill. You authorize spike strips?
14 L50.
Over here on Alpha.
Pier 16, that was 8L60 that authorized the spike strip.
1 West Purdue on 14 L50, do you authorize spike strips?
L90, I will.
14 L90 authorized spike strips. 1 West Purdue on
But eastbound Iowa from Purdue.
Eastbound Iowa from Purdue.
And she stopped, guys, then block as soon as you make a right turn.
So we're going to stop mid-block once you make a right turn. Eastbound Iowa from Purdue.
But on the move again, eastbound Iowa from Purdue.
Eastbound Iowa from Purdue. On the move again.
And backing up into black and white again, higher rate of speed.
Backing up into black and whites at a high rate of speed.
In the intersection, guys, go ahead. Northbound Corinth from Iowa.
Northbound Corinth from Iowa.
L60 using the pursuit. I'm going to authorize 10 units in the pursuit.
Eastbound Santa Monica from Corinth.
Eastbound Santa Monica from Corinth.
8L60 is authorizing 10 units in the pursuit.
Northbound Conquer from Santa Monica, entering the 405 freeway, northbound.
Northbound Concord, Santa Monica, entering the 405 north. Check for open mic. Check for open mic.
Hey, L60, we copy your incident commander. Are we engaging or are we going to track?
Incident commander, are we engaging or tracking?
14L50, I am still incident commander. We are still going to stay in pursuit. Can you please notify CHP?
14L50, still in pursuit.
Okay, copy, still in pursuit. So engaged or tracking?
14L50, engage or tracking?
L50, go ahead and initiate tracking.
Engage.
Air 16, engage tracking.
Okay,
8090, who is the current incident commander for that pursuit?
8L90, it's a Pacific supervisor at this time.
It's a package set.
6 over primary.
8L90, 14L50.
14A73, repeat.
We're starting the package.
14A73, roger.
1049 works.
L60, can you reach
14 after the location now?
See if he's on
All right, northbound
with this
405
pursuit?
through Sunset. Slow rate of speed, another pit attempt.
8L60, roger.
Unsuccessful. Still northbound
Do you need him to make contact with you, or what's your
Northbound 405 through Sunset, low rate of speed, unsuccessful.
L50, authorizing total of 10 units for the pursuit, total of 10.
L60, if he's not with this pursuit, I'm
14L50 authorizing 10 units for the pursuit.
8L60, he is on our frequency and incident commander for Pacific. 8L60, he's authorizing 10 units.
Location now for the pursuit.
405.
AC5, roger.
Passing the Getty Center.
67 weather pursuit.
Northbound 405, passing Getty Center.
Hearing 25, shoulder for pursuit. Pursuit.
14867, out of the pursuit.
L60, I only have 2 units in front of me with the vehicle.
You want HP to respond?
Those 2 units, and I.
Looks pretty
Only
successful.
with
Turn
the
it
car.
around.
Unit in pursuit. Correction, foot pursuit, identify.
405, about 5 miles per hour.
We will be going southbound.
I'm going to 10 southbound on 405 miles per hour.
All right, another pin attempt northbound 405.
Unit in foot pursuit, identify and repeat.
Another pin attempt northbound 405.
All right, looks like losing control here and spinning out.
Confirm 8831.
Vehicle losing control, spinning out.
Okay, he's southbound 405 facing oncoming traffic.
Southbound 405 facing oncoming traffic.
Unit not logged on in the pursuit, identify.
AZ2.
AZ2, roger.
Air 16, do you want CHP?
Southbound 405 in the northbound lane.
Southbound 405 in the northbound lane. Air 16, do you want CHP to respond?
They continue to respond at least for some traffic control. He's high rate of speed, probably about 60 miles an hour. Southbound in the northbound lane.
695 is advising all northbound units going against traffic on the 405.
Who collided head-on with another vehicle, probably at about 20 miles an hour, so no major damage, but continuing southbound 405.
Southbound 405 at 60 miles per hour in the northbound lane, hit head-on with another vehicle.
And we keep those units from pursuing on the opposite lane.
All units get off the freeway. They're traveling southbound.
Units exit the freeway.
It's too dangerous. We'll watch him. Hopefully he'll stop. It's up to you, but I would just continue right now. Southbound 405 from the in the northbound lane from Sunset.
Southbound 405 in the northbound lane from Sunset. Have units discontinue pursuit.
L50 continue pursuit. Just have the airship monitor.
All units in the pursuit discontinue. Air unit will monitor.
All right, southbound 405 freeway in the northbound lanes from Montana. CHP has a traffic break with a lot of traffic blocked, and he's headed right towards them.
CHP has a traffic break with a lot of traffic. Vehicles heading towards southbound 405 lanes from Montana.
Okay, head on, high rate of speed into multiple vehicles. I need 3 RAs to respond, please.
Air 16, the location for the RAs, head on at a high rate of speed into multiple vehicles.
It'll be the northbound 405 freeway. Give me a second here. Looks like driver is out on top of the van, guys, on top of the van.
Driver is out on top of the van. Air 16, the location on the northbound 405.
Northbound 405 on the Constitution overpass. He's on top of a big rig. Hey, before he carjacks him, guys, gotta take action.
Northbound 405 in the Constitution overpass on top of a big rig, requesting units to stop before he takes the vehicle.
Local frequency officers making contact.
Officers making contact.
I-35 shows us requested to 2 more RAs rolling. We're going to be on the 405 just south of Sunset.
Suspect in custody requesting 2 additional units.
Roger on 2 additional RAs, 405 south of Sunset.
How about a quarter-mile north of Wilshire Boulevard?
Northbound 405, quarter-mile north of Wilshire. 8095, repeat.
On the after suspect in custody.
All units suspect in custody, northbound 405, quarter-mile north of Wilshire. Any specific? 67, repeat.
67, do you have a 414 custody?
14867, Roger, suspect in custody.
687. I'm need a unit to help me block traffic. I'm inoperable in the 405 northbound. Just north of Sunset. I'll need a tow. And also block away.
Identify.
14867, you're requesting units to block traffic 405 northbound where?
8035, Roger, in your current
northbound
location.
405, north of Sunset exit. I'm inoperable in the middle of the freeway. I'll need tow as well, please, ASAP.
14867, correction. 14867 is requesting a unit to block traffic 405 northbound at the Sunset exit. Vehicles inoperable. Roger on tow.
Harry, we're going to be taking over for 16. We copy. We'll reach out to CHP and verify they want traffic stopped on Sunset, northbound 405 at Sunset.
Roger, also involved in your location, ma'am.
Okay, what do they have up there? Because we're down at Wilshire. What does the coppers have at
14867 is inoperable on the freeway.
806, confirming your responding to the station.
I'll reach out to CHP.
CHP was notified to handle the northbound 405. Version of 405 northbound north of Sunset exit.
And over.
All right.
He's rolling. It's going to be 405 northbound lanes, north of Wilshire Boulevard. And officers, you guys going to need down there.
RAs have notified for the 405 freeway.
Roger.
8035, 8035, come in.
19873, can I get a strap tow? I'm doing 405 north, quarter mile north of Sunset exit.
Confirming you're also involved in a TC.
14873, is that for your vehicle or for 14867?
We're okay. We don't need an RA for
It's going to be for mine now. I'm going to be north of
Roger.
Roger. Air 16, what other locations do you need at CHP?
It's going to take a while to clean this up, guys. CHP start.
See, I had two
Or, yeah, it looks like you guys. If you guys can set up a flare pattern, kind of direct traffic, everything to the carpool and number 1 lane, and block off all lanes of traffic on the east side, 2 through the gutter lane. If you can block those lanes, convert all traffic to a carpool number 1 lane for me.
Air unit is requesting units to block traffic, carpool number 1 lane.
No, ma'am. Officers, if you can block traffic, convert everything into carpool and number 1. Block everything from number 2 over to the gutter lane, far right lane. Set up a flare pattern to push traffic. Everything to the carpool and number 1 lane for me. You still have traffic riding the gutter lane and getting around your crime scene there.
Air unit is requesting units to open traffic to the carpool in the number 1 lane and block traffic from the number 2 to the gutter lanes and set up flares. Air 16, what other locations do you need CHP?
And I'm Sam McCask now in West LA and Pacific. I'm trying to have LAPD set up a flare pattern. If you could advise CHP, we're trying to set up a flare pattern from about a quarter mile north of Wilshire, keeping open the carpool and number 1 lane, and blocking traffic number 2 lane all the way to the right. If you could have CHP enter the freeway from Worcester, come northbound, and assist the officers with this flare pattern.
Area unit, Roger, will notify CHP.